Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mickey Mouse as a Labubu doll. So first let's get started with the top of our eyes, drawing in a small curved line from left to right, just leaving a gap in the center. Let's draw in the eye underneath now. So as we come over on the right, we're gonna curve this around and then back in on the side. And we'll do the same over on the left. Now as we move over towards the inside, drawing in another oval, we're going to curve this around, blending that in on the bottom. And now in the top here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. Moving directly in the center for the nose, we're going to draw in an oval. And now let's draw in our mouth. So we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing this around and then up on the right. And now let's draw in our teeth. So we're going to draw in the letter V on both sides. And then we're just going to continue this pattern as we come up on the right, as well as on the left. Now let's draw in the center of the head. So coming in towards the middle, we're going to curve this around and then in on the left. And then from the center again, we're going to curve this back around and then in, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here for the bottom of the face, curving this out and in towards the middle. Blending that together. Now let's come over and draw on the top of the head. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. And we're just going to continue to draw these little bumps as we come across on the right-hand side. Let's come around for the ear now in a circle pattern. So we're going to curve this out. Again, bringing this over. And we're going to continue this as we come all the way down and through on the side, and we'll do the same on the left. Now on both sides, we're going to draw in two curved lines, arching those in on a slight diagonal. Let's come down now for the shorts. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in an arch line, bringing that across. And then on both sides, we're just going to curve this line down towards the bottom of our page. And then now from here, we're going to bring this line over and in the center. On the left-hand side, let's draw in an oval. And then we'll do the same on the right. Now let's close off the arms. So we're going to curve this line across. And then again, just curving this line down, bringing this over and in towards the side of our shorts. Now let's draw in our hands. So for the thumb, curving this over and in, curving this line out, back down. Again, as we move down. And then again, one more time. And then closing off the bottom of our hand, just curving that in towards the side. Let's draw in our shoes now. So we're going to come over on the inside first for the inside of the leg, drawing in two curved lines coming down. From that corner now for the top of the shoe, arching this around and over. Now on the outside, we're just going to curve this line up towards the top. And then closing off the bottom of the shoe, we're just going to curve this around and then back in towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Mickey Mouse as a Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.